The gaming world is abuzz with anticipation as whispers of Nintendo's next-gen console, the Switch 2, continue to circulate. This potential successor to the wildly popular Switch promises to elevate handheld gaming to unprecedented heights. Let's delve into the latest leaks, rumors, and speculations that are painting a tantalizing picture of what could be in store. A display revolution. Nintendo has consistently pushed the boundaries of display technology, and the Switch 2 is expected to be no exception. The original Switch OLED model marked a significant leap forward, offering gamers richer visuals and deeper blacks. However, recent reports suggest that Nintendo is aiming even higher. South Korean sources indicate that the tech giant is in serious discussions with Samsung to supply OLED panels for the upcoming console. This collaboration could potentially result in two distinct Switch 2 models, one featuring a premium OLED display and another offering a more budget-friendly LCD option. Such a strategy would mirror Nintendo's successful approach with the current Switch lineup, ensuring there's a console to suit every gamer's preferences and budget. The digital age of gaming. The gaming industry is undergoing a seismic shift, with digital distribution rapidly gaining ground. Nintendo is likely to adapt to this evolving landscape with the Switch 2. Rumors suggest that two primary models are in the works, a traditional cartridge-based version and a fully digital variant. While physical media still holds a special place in the hearts of many gamers, the digital-only model could offer several advantages. It could streamline game delivery, eliminate issues associated with physical discs, and potentially unlock performance enhancements through optimized digital downloads. However, Nintendo is expected to maintain the cartridge-based option to cater to its vast audience. Speeding up the game to deliver a truly next-gen gaming experience, a Switch 2 must address the performance bottleneck of its predecessor. The original Switch's eMMC storage, while sufficient for its time, falls short compared to the blazing fast UFS storage found in modern consoles like the PlayStation 5. Upgrading to UFS storage is crucial for significantly reducing load times, enabling more complex and detailed game worlds, and supporting higher resolution textures and assets. This performance boost would not only enhance the visual fidelity, but also empower developers to push the boundaries of handheld gaming, creating immersive experiences previously thought impossible on portable devices. Backward compatibility, a cornerstone. Preserving a gamer's investment is paramount for the success of any new console. Nintendo understands this well, and backward compatibility is expected to be a cornerstone feature of the Switch 2. While specific details remain shrouded in secrecy, industry trends and Nintendo's history suggest that players can look forward to enjoying their existing Switch library on the new console. Whether through emulation or direct cartridge support, Nintendo is likely to ensure a smooth transition for its loyal fanbase. This commitment to backward compatibility would solidify the Switch 2's position as a compelling upgrade for current Switch owners. A new era of Nintendo franchises. The launch of a new console is often accompanied by a stellar lineup of games, and the Switch 2 is no exception. Reliable sources hint at the development of a highly anticipated new 3D Mario title and the long-awaited Mario Kart 9. The 3D Mario series has consistently redefined platforming excellence, and the next installment could set a new benchmark for gameplay and visual splendor. Launch window, a summer surprise. Speculation surrounding the Switch 2's release date has reached a fever pitch. Comments from Japanese developer Level 5 have fueled rumors of a potential summer 2024 launch, coinciding with the highly anticipated game Fantasy Life. Other industry insiders have echoed this sentiment, suggesting a September 2024 release window as a strong possibility. Balancing innovation and affordability. Pricing is a critical factor that will determine the Switch 2's success. Leaks suggest that the digital-only model could be priced between $400 and $450, with a cartridge-based version commanding a slightly higher price tag. The future is bright. As more details emerge, the excitement surrounding the Switch 2 is sure to reach a fever pitch. Whether you're a die-hard Nintendo enthusiast or simply curious about the future of gaming, the Switch 2 is a development you won't want to miss. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Nintendo Switch 2? Are you excited about the potential features, or do you believe the current Switch still has plenty of life left? Share your predictions and hopes for Nintendo's next console in the comments below.